guys. My voice is kinda not okay because I keep shouting at school today. We have school today. I have school today because I have a dance at school. Good thing my mom didn't have hair. Recording. YouTube. Yes. Oh, yeah, and that's why my voice. Plus, I can't fix this. What is doing? Then nag-video ako. I'm still working on that dog. Look at this dude. Tell me if this hits. If I make this shot, subscribe. I mean not that shot, but this shot. Subscriber, I will eat your feet tonight. Minecraft military video later. Maybe around 6 o'clock a.m. or p.m. 6 p.m. Wait, what time is it? Yeah, it's... Ay, toma. Oh my God. That's all, bye.